Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. And welcome to your daily XRP update. Perhaps a little bit more of a bullish update. Perhaps because in the end, XRP right now, as most of you know, is still very, very bullish. But we'll talk about or is still very bearish, excuse me. But we'll talk about some bullish scenarios, which are actually, possible right now after the moves we had in the last 8 hours or so, or in the last night. Last night actually was fairly bullish for some reason. We also saw a bit of bullish momentum from Bitcoin, but just overall in the markets, if you take a look at like the top gainers right now, most cryptos are up. So yeah, that's pretty interesting to see. I'm not sure what caused that, because Bitcoin itself, even though it showed a little bit of strength, it barely moved. So it's interesting to see. But for XRP, what that meant is a bullish breakout. So that's what we'll talk about in this video, and we'll also talk about whether that bullish breakout can actually get us somewhere, or whether it's just a little bit of recovery and that would continue down in the bearish market structure afterwards. So that's what we'll talk about. Before we get into XRP though, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades. It's a great community of really successful traders right now. And you gain access to my trading guide, which I put a lot of hard work in. So if you're interested in that, if you want to become a better and more profitable trader, check that out either at cilinix.com or via the links down in the description or pinned comment. But now onto XRP. So first of all, I always like to look at the volume for XRP because it does tell a story. And right now, what we're seeing is that volume is largely dropping down. All right, it's down about 40%, which is not crazy. If you take a look at the volume of Bitcoin, it's down 43%. That's pretty crazy. All right, but for XRP, it doesn't matter that much. But overall, volume is dropping. We cannot say too much about that yet. I think we'll have to wait to the market opening Monday to really see what the volume is at and what that means for the price. But now, like I said, when taking a look at the technicals, we actually had a bullish breakout above this a purple line, which is some sort of an old Fibonacci level. I'm not sure what. It's not that relevant, but it is a key level, and we broke above that. So that's great. And that's also why I expect today to be a little bit more bullish for XRP. But the main question is what we will do at around 65 cents. So when I say 65 cents, I technically mean 64.5 and 66 cents. All right, that's the main area we would need to break above if we want to be bullish again. All right, that's the main area, in my eyes at least, according to my analysis. So the big question is can we do something like that? Can we do something like this, recover back up to like 68, 69 cents, and then consolidate up here? And I would say it is possible, but at this point of time, I do unfortunately still think that this is not the most likely scenario. Bitcoin is still very bearish overall, even though the last weekend has been mostly quiet. And XRP itself, the thing is that we have, especially by breaking down below 64 and 65 cents, we have confirmed the downtrend. And you need some sort of, most of the times, you need some sort of a reason to get a reversal and to become bullish again. And at this point in time, I just don't see any reason why we would get into a reversal, right? It's possible, but due to manipulation or something, it's possible. That's why I'm telling you that this is a possibility. But I don't, we haven't hit a significant support level, which 60 and 58 cents would perhaps qualify as. There hasn't been any fundamental news which would cause a bullish breakout. And like I said earlier, Bitcoin is not showing a lot of bullish momentum, which could also be a reason why we would break above that. All of those reasons are not here, so that's why I expect us to find resistance here, drop back down below 63 cents, which is the level we had the bullish breakout above, and start dropping down towards that level between 60 and 58 cents. That's what I expect for now. All right, that's my take on XRP. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.